YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And today is October 2nd. I believe it's October 2nd, right? Not the 3rd. Yeah, it's October 2nd. But anyways, man, those of you that have been around know that the short-term goal is to hit 800 subscribers by the beginning of October. At the time of me recording this, we were at 784. We just missed our goal, man, but it's no big deal. Like I said before, it's partially my fault, partially work's fault. You know what I'm saying? Work picking up, season starting, coaching, doing all of that. I spend a lot of time commuting. It's harder for me to get as many videos out a week, but I'm still doing the best that I can. So thank you to all of you who have been supporting the channel, man. We're doing super well on the way to hit our goal of 1,000 by the end of the year still. So if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Turn on your notification bells, all of that. Also, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring videos to more people. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. YouTube, today, I finally got them. Finally. This may be an installment of Buy What You Like. You know what I'm saying? This is a reach back. I think these came out, crazy how long ago they came out now. I think like 4 or 5 months ago. It doesn't even seem that long. But man, I'm going to get into it right now, man. And I picked up, you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail, the Nike Air Max 90 orange. The total orange joints, man. These are so tough. Yo, Skip goes hard. I've been, you know what I'm saying, attacking you every time you show this damn shoe in your live. It was pissing me off because I didn't have mine because they sold out on Nike. You know what I'm saying? They sold out on Nike when they first came out. Then they did restocks and they sold again, and I wasn't able to get them. There's still some pairs on the Nike.com app, none in the size 12, so there's none there in my size. And then I did go ahead, and not that long ago, maybe 2-3 months ago, right before I got those Pinnacle 9s, I was like, cool, I'm going to just buy a pair from Godap. They were there for around retail on Godap. I ordered it, and the seller didn't ship them out, so it got canceled. I did get my money back, obviously, but man, it was a long wait to get these, man. I'm so excited to have these. Those of you that know why I like these so much, man, I'm a Cincinnati Bengal fan. Need my orange and black. As you can see, I did do a lace swap. So these come with all of the Air Max 90s, the remade Air Max 90s this year. So I got the Volts right here to show you another pair. Do come with white laces. I also put black laces in here. And I was thinking about it. I don't know why. Every single pair of Air Max 90s that I own, I always switch the laces. Whether it's putting a white lace to a black lace, I put rainbow laces in a pair, the silver laces in a pair. I don't know. It's just, for whatever reason, I've yet to like a pair of laces that came with them. The one that I may like, the next one that I'm going to get at some point is the pink one, that rose one that came out this year. But man, I'm so excited to have these this year. These are definitely going to be in my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year. Yes, absolutely. They have to be, man. This orange and black is dope. Now, this orange is like a neon brighter orange. You know what I mean? It's a different color orange. There's a little darker right here on the Air Max tab here, but as you can see, it's a much brighter orange, man. But there's not too much to talk about with this shoe. The box, by the way, I was a little worried, but I watched other videos. So when you guys look at these, the blue ones, there's the purple one in women's size, there's the pink ones. I think there was a green one. There's a bunch of Air Max 90s came out this year. It's the 30th anniversary. But they came in the old school Air Max 90 box. These came in the Volt Green box. These came in like your regular Nike Air, like your regular red, orange box. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why Nike decided to do that, but that's how they did it with this pair. I'm sure there's probably other pairs that you would think come in the old school box. I thought everyone that had this exact same build, this same cut, was going to come in the box like these came in, but I guess not. And the box that they came in had them all smushed up. You can see the toe is still a little sloped there. This toe is still a little flat too, which is fine. I don't care. Once you get your foot in it, it's good to go. Materials on them is absolutely fire. You know what I'm saying? That nice little, I don't know if it's a felt, whatever that material is. It's not a suede, whatever that is right there. You got some of it on the swoosh. It's a little rougher, a little darker gray on the swoosh. Your little leather panel right there. Nike Air on that license plate, man, in the bright orange. Absolutely love it. Orange insole as well. And then the thing that I love about all the Air Max 90s that they're doing this year is they are doing a drawback to the Air Max 1 with the Air Max 1 outsole underneath the insole of the shoe. And which, now that I'm thinking about it, the way that they're marketing certain things is weird, because am I the only one who has noticed that these are not Air Max 90s anymore on the Nike Sneakers app? These are no longer Air Max 90s. These are Air Max 3s. How do you guys feel about that? Are you going to call these Air Max 3s? I see on the Nike Sneakers app, for all of the Laser Blues came out, the Eggplants, the Concords, they were all labeled as Air Max 3s as opposed to Air Max 90s, which technically they are. You know what I'm saying? We know the Air Max 1. We know what that looks like. Here is the Air Max 2. So there actually was an Air Max 2. I'm not even going to say it slept on. It just doesn't look as good as the 1 or the 90. Me personally, I think I like the look of the Air Max 1 more, even though I do own more Air Max 90s now, especially like this year. I used to have more Air Max 1s. It was close. But then this year I bought, let's see, I bought these, I bought the Volts, I bought the Galaxy. I bought 3 pairs of Air Max 90s this year just because they're going through remaster and everything for the 30th anniversary. And I'm still probably going to get the pink pair, and I might even get the blue pair. But stay tuned in another video when I talk about that and why I may or may not get that. You may be getting that video, probably not tomorrow because you'll get the top 10 with these, but you may get that video on Sunday or Monday. So definitely stay tuned for that, man. But yo, I'm so excited to have these in hand one more time. Let's just get a look around. As you can see, man, the white mesh. Absolutely love the Air Max 90s with the mesh. That's a turn off to me with some shoes. Air Max 90s and Air Max 1s have to have the mesh. I do not like when it's the leather here. I don't know. For whatever reason, I love when it's the mesh. I have one pair, the inside out Air Max 1s. It's not mesh, but because of the aesthetic of the shoe, I let it pass. But I love the mesh on the toe here. Love the materials all the way around. You got your big air unit right here. I can see you through there. Man, I'm so happy to have these. Super excited. I'm going to go give y'all a quick little on foot. I obviously already put these on foot and laced them up. But I'm going to show y'all the on foot right now. And then I'll get back to finish off the video. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, man, you got to see my on foot right there of my Air Max 90s, Air Max 3s, in the total orange colorway. Yo, I love these so much. They're going to get a bunch of wear. They're going to fall into my top 10 pickups of the year. Man, absolutely love these. You guys got to see how I laced them right there. If you do want to see how I lace my Air Max 90s, I did do a tutorial not that long ago on the Galaxy pair. So I'm going to leave the link to that down in the description. So definitely go check that out if you want to see how I lace my Air Max 90s. Sorry, Air Max 3s. But that is it for this video, man. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. If you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Turn on your notification bells, all of that. And then if you made it this far, you were obviously entertained. So make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms. Helps bring more people to the channel and potentially grow the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. And then last but not least, make sure that we go ahead and follow that Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.